Hey, it's Stephen Kaufman again for another episode of Zeus TV, and we're talking about home equity loans and home equity lines of credit today. And we get the question a lot: what if someone changes their mind after they get or start the process of getting a home equity loan or a home equity line of credit? That's a great question. If you're getting a home equity loan, which means you're getting a lump sum of the equity available to you in your home, when you receive that money at closing, if you change your mind, you're not required to take the money, and you can of course pay that money immediately back. If you leave the title company and the loan does fund 3 days later or 4 days later, you can fund that money back to the loan and pay the loan off completely. The loan's gone. Now what about a home equity line of credit? A home equity line of credit is like a credit card. And if you change your mind on that loan, of course you don't ever have to draw anything out and you never incur a cost for that. It's just sitting out there, and if you ever need it, it's there available to you. On both loans, starting the process in Texas, you will need to wait 12 days. Texas law requires that you wait 12 days before you close from the time you start the application process. You're actually going to sign what's called a 12-day letter. And a 12-day letter is, in essence, a front-end cooling-off period where you're going to be able to think about, all right, I'm incurring my home's equity in this process. Do I want to use my home equity for a lump sum payment or these recurring costs? And it'll be up to you if you proceed after the 12 days. And then there's a second cooling off period. When you actually close on your loan, you'll have to wait 3 days, 3 business days, for your loan to actually be available for funding. And so you have a front end and a back end cooling off period, which total together 15 days, 16 days, depending on when it falls. And you're never obligated to take the money in either case. You can change your mind at any time. And even after you take the money, if you want to close out the loan, as long as there's no balance, you can close on that at any time. Okay, I'm Stephen Kaufman, and I can't wait to see you again on another episode of Zeus TV.